Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily check link history on Facebook. That's quite simple, interesting and easy. So make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. I'm on my iPhone. You can follow the exact same steps if you are on an Android or a computer as well. So first of all, open up the Facebook application and then tap on three lines on the bottom right. Now once you're on this page, you'll have to scroll down a bit and tap on settings and privacy. And after that, you'll find an option of link history. That is the second option. You'll have to tap on link history. And right here, you'll be able to find all the links that you have clicked on Facebook. And you can also clear them by tapping on clear all on the top right corner and then tap on clear, and your link history will be cleared. I hope you found the video helpful. Make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button if you have found the video helpful. And if you have any questions about the video,